50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art.
Day 7. Forgiveness. Dear God, teach me the power of forgiveness. Help me to let go of grudges and resentments, and to embrace a heart full of love and understanding. Amen. Today's motivation is ours for a happier world. Your attitude determines your altitude. Today's decision is ours for a happier world. Adopt a pet from a shelter instead of buying from a breeder. For unity for a happier world. By embracing diversity and promoting unity, we can create a world where everyone's voice is heard and valued. What is the purpose of our life? Life's purpose is to love, to connect deeply with others, and to leave a legacy of compassion and kindness.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.